Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two contenders ready to duke it out for your hard-earned cash. In the left corner, we have the Asani Mini 3D printer, and in the right corner, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Let's see who prints their way to victory. First up, let's talk about the one thing that makes us all cringe: the price. The Asani Mini comes in at $500. That's right, folks, it's like buying a golden ticket to Willy Wonka's factory. But instead of chocolate, you get plastic. On the other hand, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is slightly cheaper at $479. You might be thinking, hey, that's a savings of $21, which is exactly enough to buy a cup of coffee at an overpriced cafe. So point for FLASHFORGE. Next, let's talk about ease of use. The Asani Mini is highly praised for being user-friendly and great for beginners and kids. It boasts features like easy auto-leveling, one-touch filament loading, and it comes fully assembled. Reviewers love its kid-friendly design and straightforward setup. FLASHFORGE, however, takes it up a notch with one-click automatic printing and a dedicated mobile app called FlashMaker. You can monitor your prints, adjust parameters, and receive message alerts. While some users appreciate these tech-savvy features, others find the additional app notifications a bit much. But since FLASHFORGE offers more advanced features, it takes this round. Now on to speed and precision. The Asani Mini has a dual Z-axis rail for high-precision prints and a flexible magnetic build plate. Reviewers commend it for its precision and consistent results. But hold on to your filaments, folks, because the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M can travel at speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. Reviewers note its impressive speed and accuracy, despite some noise issues. With dual fan nozzles and vibration compensation, it's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. FLASHFORGE wins this round too. Let's not forget about the extras and support. Asani comes with a complete starter kit: 10 meters of PLA filament, a pre-installed micro SD card with model designs, and more accessories. Reviewers appreciate the treasure chest of 3D printing goodies it offers. FLASHFORGE, on the other hand, offers rapid nozzle changes, a high-flow nozzle, and supports multiple nozzle sizes. Reviewers highlight their excellent customer support, including a 1-month free return and exchange, lifetime technical support, and a 1-year warranty. They even promise a 12-hour response service. FLASHFORGE takes this round as well. Overall, the Asani Mini 3D printer is highly recommended by reviewers for its ease of use, user-friendly design, and suitability for beginners and kids. On the other hand, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is praised for its advanced features, speed, and excellent customer support, making it a favorite among more tech-savvy users. Alright, folks, it looks like the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M has printed its way to victory. Asani Mini, you put up a good fight, but FLASHFORGE just had more tricks up its nozzle. Remember, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned 3D printing pro, the right printer can make all the difference. If you enjoyed this battle of the printers, smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart.